get a little bag and take it to the store. Get a little cash, you shake it real fast, you get a little more. I got bands in the coop, bustin' out the roof. I got bands in the coop.
Hey my beauties, welcome back to my channel. So I'm actually out by the mall and they have a long line just to go inside the store. So we gotta stand on this long line. They letting like 10 people in at a time. It's crazy. Look at this. I could have pulled my car up so I didn't have to sit and wait for this. Okay, y'all, so as y'all can see, I'm looking like ET right now, but I need to get a plug for my MacBook because, you know, the kids are doing remote learning right now, so you gotta have these laptops available. They don't even use phones for the homework, so we'll see what it looks like on the inside. You gotta stand on this long line because they only letting like 10 people in at a time. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I got a package from Glamazante. All right, let's open her up. While I do that, stay tuned for this.
The mail's here. Come on. Here's the mail, it never fails. It makes me want to wag my tail. When it comes, I want to wail.
Okay, so technical difficulties because Sis got her nails done. Ain't they cute? Where? No, I threw them over there. I'm filming. No, wait, hold on, y'all, because I got to get this.
You got no clothes, right? Oh.
Hey, y'all, so I'm back. Look what Glamazante done sent me. Ow. Hey y'all, so I'm back. Look what she sent me. I mean, I paid for this, but ain't she cute though? You gotta put them down like that because my lashes is in the way. But look, y'all, look what she sent me. I wanted some of these because I see everybody with these. So I was like, yo, those are kind of cute. So I got to get me a pair. And they wasn't even expensive. Oh, she sent me one of these cards. Outlaw. Ow. These are cute. All right, so Glamazante Apparel Studio. So these came from LA and they super cute. I love them. Wait, let me get a thumbnail. These are so cute. And they so firm, like they brand new. All right, next. Fashion Nova. I think I'm in love with Fashion Nova now. Because they got like the best stuff. All right, so you get a 25% off card, how to return, and a packing slip. All right, so I got another pair of pants. I'm also wearing a pair now. These are a super high waist denim skinnies. And let's open her up. Okay, so here are the jeans, and I got it in a size 15 because I didn't want to get it like too big like the ones that I'm wearing. So it retails for $29.99, but they got coupon codes, so I could leave that down in the description to save you some coins. Anyway, these are super cute, and I'm gonna try these on for you guys, and I'll be back soon.
You get a little bag and take it to the store. Get a little cash, you shake it real fast, you get a little more.